What if I told you making money does not always start with a big idea? Sometimes it starts with solving one simple problem. That's Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how simple problems can turn into real money opportunities. In this video, I'll show you how to spot simple problems, create simple offers, find people who need help, and start making money step by step. Now let me be clear, this is not guaranteed money, and this is not a get-rich-quick promise. But if you take action, simple problems can become simple profits. Every day, people deal with problems they do not want to fix themselves. That is where opportunity starts. Somebody needs their car cleaned. Somebody needs their grass cut. Somebody needs help making a flyer. These are simple problems. Money is usually a trade. You solve a problem, save somebody time, make their life easier, and they pay you for it. A lot of beginners get stuck because they think they need a huge business. You do not. Start small. Solve one problem for one person. The first step is simple. Look around your neighborhood, your school, your job, your family, and online.
When people complain, they are showing you a problem. If you can fix it, you might have a way to make money.
I don't have time.
Pay attention to what people avoid. Cleaning, organizing, editing, designing, posting, fixing, carrying, writing, or setting things up. One of the easiest problems to solve is a time problem. If someone is too busy to do something, you can offer to do it for them. Once you find a problem, turn it into a simple offer. Do not make it complicated. You could say, I clean cars for people who do not have time. I make flyers for small businesses. I edit short videos for creators. I organize garages for busy families. Your offer should answer three things. What do you do? Who do you help? And what result do they get?
Here is a simple example. I help small businesses make clean flyers and short promo videos so they can look more professional online.
A lot of people wait until everything is perfect. Do not do that. Start simple, learn fast, and improve as you go. You can use free tools to make flyers, write captions, edit videos, organize ideas, and create simple content for people. You do not need expensive equipment to start. Your phone can help you record, edit, message people, post content, and collect payments. Your first goal is not to get rich. Your first goal is to prove that someone will pay you to solve a problem. Start with people close to you. Family, neighbors, local businesses, coworkers, classmates, or people in your community. Do not overthink the message. Just say what you do, who you help, and ask if they need help. Here is a simple message. Hey, I'm helping local businesses make simple flyers and short videos. I can make one for you today if you need help. Not everybody will say yes. That is normal. You only need a few people to give you a chance. When you are starting, keep your price simple. You could charge $20, $50, or more depending on the problem you solve. The faster and cleaner you deliver, the more people will trust you. Good service can turn one customer into more customers. After you help someone, ask them if they know anybody else who needs the same help. That is how one job can turn into more. Find a problem, make an offer, message people, deliver the service, get paid, then repeat it again. You do not need to have everything figured out. You just need to start noticing problems and become the person who helps solve them. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment money if you are ready to start solving problems and getting paid.